So our question is to determine the nature of the roots of quadratic equation from their discriminants. Okay, so we will solve today these three sums. Okay, so first let's see what is discriminant. Okay, so discriminant is denoted by delta, and the formula for delta is delta equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so first we will find delta with the help of this formula, and then with these three conditions we will verify whether the roots of the quadratic equation are real or equal, real and unequal, or not real. Means, see the first condition, if delta is equals to 0, if this value equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Okay, the second condition is that if delta is greater than 0, that means the positive, if delta is positive, if this value is positive, then the roots are real and unequal. Okay, and the third condition is that if delta is less than 0, that means this value is negative, then the roots are not real. Okay, so in this like this way we will find the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Okay, so we will see the first sum. Okay, so first sum is x square minus 4x plus 4 equals to 0. This is the first sum. Okay, so first we will compare this quadratic equation with the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, so comparing this equation, or you can write comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So what we will get, a equals to 1, here nothing is there, so 1, b equals to minus 4, and c equals to plus 4. Okay, so we have got the values of a, b and c. Now we know the formula for delta is, here I have wrote the formula for delta equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so delta equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay, now delta equals to b square means minus 4 square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and value of c is 4. Okay, so delta equals to 4 square minus 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 1 into 4, that is minus 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. So delta equals to 0. Now if delta equals to 0, what is the condition? We will see the first condition. See, if delta equals to 0, the roots are real and equal. So therefore we will write the final statement as, therefore the roots of given quadratic equation are real and equal. So we have done with our first sum. Okay, so now we will see the second sum. The second sum is 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equals to 0. Now first of all, what is the first step? We will compare this equation with the standard form of a quadratic equation. Okay, so we will write comparing the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now we will compare a, so we will get a equals to 2, b equals to minus 7 and c equals to plus 2. Okay, so now we have the formula for delta as delta equals to b square minus 4ac. Okay, now we will substitute these values. So delta equals to b square means 7 square minus 7 square minus 7 square minus 4 into value of a is 2 into value of c is 2. Okay, so delta equals to 7 square is equals to 49 minus 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16. So 49 minus 16 will give you delta equals to 33. So now delta is greater than, here you have to not write this, I am writing for your understanding. Here delta is greater than 0. Therefore our second condition says that, see, our second condition says that if delta is greater than 0, that is positive, so the roots are real and unequal. Okay, so we will write, so therefore we will write the roots of given quadratic equation are real and unequal. Okay, so we have done with our second sum. Now we will see the third sum. So third question is m square plus 2m plus 9 equals to 0. So similarly, first we will compare this with standard quadratic equation. So the standard quadratic equation is comparing the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, so we will get a as the value of a as 1, value of b as 2 and the value of c as 9. 1, 2 and 9. Okay, so we have got the value of a, b and c, so we will calculate delta. So delta equals to b square minus 4ac. So delta equals to b square, that is 2 square, minus 4 into value of a is 1 into value of c is 9. Okay, so delta equals to 2 square equals to 4 minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 nines are 36. So therefore delta equals to 4 minus 36 will give you minus 32. So now our delta is less than 0, that is our third condition is, see, our third condition is if delta is lesser than 0, that is the negative value, then the roots are not real. Okay, so we will write therefore the roots of given quadratic equation are not real. Okay, so we have done with all the three sums.